This video is all about my personal journey. I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a language expert. I'm someone who started with zero confidence in English, someone who was scared, embarrassed, and often felt like giving up. But today I can speak confidently and other help. How? Because I stayed focused, I didn't quit. In this video, I'm sharing everything, the pen, the turning point, the strategy that helped me, and the message I want you to hear. So let's start it. Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you something very personal, my real journey to learning English. I didn't grow up speaking English. In school, I learned grammar and wrote answer in exams, but I could not speak in English confidently. I was afraid to talking in English. Even simple sentences like "What's your name?" made me nervous. Then I think at home, no one spoke English in my area. English was not important until I realized something. Without English, I was missing out on so many opportunities. But when I tried to learn speak English confidently, that's when the real struggle began. Why it is not workful? Because I was not practicing. I was learning like it was a theory subject. But language is not just theory, it's practice. I was scared of speaking, scared of making mistakes, so I stayed silent. And when you stay silent, you don't improve. Then I decided I want to speak English fluently. Then I'll try. There was one night I remember clearly. I had studied for 2 hours and still could not speak confidently. I cried. I thought maybe I am not made for English. Maybe I am too old, too slow, too weak. I was so close to giving up. But something inside me whispered, "Don't give up now. You have come this far. Try one more time, but try differently." Then I feel like something positive. That night, I made one decision. I will not quit. I will stop chasing perfection. I will focus only on consistency. Even if I make mistakes, even if people laugh, I will learn. I gave myself a rule: practice English for just 15 minutes a day, no matter what. That small decision changed my entire journey. Here's what I did for those 15 minutes. I spoke 5 sentences in front of the mirror. I repeated simple daily conversations. I listened to English videos and I listened to English podcasts daily. I wrote short diary entries in English. I used English words in my thoughts and I used English words in my pocket diary. At first, it felt strange. I made many mistakes, but slowly things started to change. I began understanding videos better. I started replying to messages in English, and one day I held a full 3-minute conversation in English. I felt so proud. Then I realized something powerful. Then I think be positive. So you can also do it. I realized something powerful. Learning English is not about being the smartest, it's about staying focused only on focus on your work. Most people give up because they expect quick results, but I didn't rush. I gave myself time. I stayed consistency. That's how I improved slowly but surely. So then I started my struggle story and morning routine. Here's my daily routine that actually worked. Morning 5 minutes, listen to an English videos. Afternoon 5 minutes, speak 5 sentences in front of the mirror. And evening 5 minutes, learn 3 new words and use them in sentences. And a message for my heart. If you are watching this video and you feel like I'm too late to learn, I'm not smart enough, and I'm not beautiful, I know that everyone else is better than me, then listen to me. I felt exactly the same. Then I tried to try again and again. But today I speak confidently, not perfectly, but proudly. And if I can do it, you can it too. You don't need 5 hours. You don't need big words. You just need 15 minutes of focus and courage to keep going. And that's final words. Let's do this together. Let's make a promise together and promise to yourself. I will not give up on English. I will practice for 15 minutes daily. I will believe in myself. Write in the comments. I will learn English. I will stay focused. And remember, it's okay to be slow. It's okay to be make mistakes. And it's okay to be slow, speak sentences, but it's not okay to give up. I believe in you. Not it's your turn to believe in yourself. Let's do this together.